SAVITA PAWAR. Welcome to my channel Get the Math. In this video we are going to see the MCQs of lesson 1 Goods and Service Tax. This is MCQ part 2. In the description box below I have shared the PDF files of the uploaded videos, so you can go through them too. So without any further delay, let us start with the MCQs. Which of the following taxes is applicable in case of supply of services from Bihar to Rajasthan? So it is from one state to the other state, so the tax applicable will be IGST. Which of the following commodities is not kept outside the preview of GST? So which is not kept outside the preview of GST? It is supply of liquor for human consumption. That is the correct option. Question 3 is, which of the following taxes have been subsumed in GST? So which one is also subsumed in GST? So the tax here is all of the above: central sales tax, excise duty tax, central excise duty, and value added tax, that is VAT. So all of the above is the correct answer. Question 4. Who shall be empowered to levy and collect GST on supplies in the course of interstate transactions of trade or commerce? So who is empowered to levy or the collect tax in the interstate transaction? So the correct answer here is central government. For the interstate transaction, it is central government. Okay. Question 5 is, a customer buys a washing machine from a dealer at a discount of 20% on the marked price of 25,000. If the GST rate is 18%, calculate the tax the customer has to pay for the purchase. So marked price is 25,000, discount is 20, and GST is 18. So first find the selling price. So marked price minus discount rate of MP, that gives you the selling price as 20,000 rupees. Therefore, the tax paid by the customer, GST, is 18% of the selling price, that is 3,600 rupees. The GST is always counted on the selling price, so it will be 3,600 rupees. So option 3 here is the correct option. Question 6 is, what does I in IGST stands for? Internal integrated I have written internal 2 times. This is actually intra. Internal, integrated, inter or intra. So it is integrated. I stands for integrated in IGST. Question 7 here is, the chair of the GST council. Who is the head of the chair of the GST council? Nominated by government or nominated by GST council, union finance minister, or elected by GST council? So it is option 3, union finance minister. The rate of IGST is equal to the rate of. So IGST is equal to CGST or SGST, or CGST plus SGST, or SGST plus UTGST. So it is option 3, CGST plus SGST. Right. Question 9 here is, a dealer in Delhi sold a personal computer to a customer in Delhi for 28,000 rupees. If the rate of GST is 18%, calculate all this: IGST, CGST and SGST. So as it is sold in Delhi, bought in Delhi and sold in Delhi only, okay, so since the goods are sold at the same state, so IGST will be 0 here. CGST will be, now you know CGST you have to count half of the GST, so that it will be 9% of the MRP, that is 28,000, so it is 2520. And SGST is also half of GST, that is 9% of the MRP, that is 28,000, that is equal to 2520. So the answer should be in series as IGST, CGST and SGST. It is 0, 2520, 2520. So 0, 2520, 2520. Option 2 is the correct option. Question 10. Goods and service tax is G.S.T means what? It is based on what? Supply based, consumption based, both supply and consumption based, none of these. So the G.S.T tax is based on consumption based. How much raw material, how much material you are consuming, so on that G.S.T tax is levied. Question 11. With the introduction of G.S.T, imports will be. So because of G.S.T, the material that we are importing into the country will be more expensive, cheaper, neutral, or none of the above. So that will be expensive, more expensive. Question 12. A retailer purchases an air conditioner of 35,000 from a company. He sold it to the consumer at a profit of 5,000. Calculate the tax liability of the retailer if the G.S.T rate on air conditioner is 28%. So tax liability of the retailer will be equal to tax on value addition, that is the tax on profit. So 28% of the profit is 5,000, so it is equal to 1400 rupees. So option 2 is the correct option. The highest G.S.T rate applicable now is 100, 18, 28 or 50. So it is 28%. So these were some of the more MCQs of lesson 1. So you can prepare it properly if you take out the PDF. I am sharing the link in the description box below. So if you have any query, drop it in the comment box. Do like, share and subscribe my channel. Get the math.